Alright guys, this is Chris with VenomBaseballCards.com. I am going to change up the video style. I've been kind of trying to make the biggest videos possible because I'm able to do so, but I just don't think that that's a good idea anymore. People just don't want to watch the long videos anymore, even though there are some that do. The majority of the people don't, so I need to get back to my old ways and start doing some shorter videos. So I picked up 5 blaster boxes of Bowman Platinum, but I'm going to do them in shorter chunks. I'll still film the whole video in one long setting, but I'll divide it up into smaller videos for YouTube so people can watch them a little easier. That way they don't have to watch such a long video. The last video I did for some 2010 Top Series 1 cards, I think I got 6 blasters of it. I filmed all 6 in the same chunk of video, or 2 chunks of video, and was going to do it all in one big video, but 34 minutes is a long time to watch something about cards, especially Series 1 2010 Tops. Something that we've seen for years now. So I figure I'll just bust open some Platinum, because these things have sold really, really well. Lance Berkman, Alfonso Soriano, Adam Dunn, and I think you'll like the Refractor, Aroldis Chapman. Or not a refractor. It's not a refractor. It's just a chrome. PP10. Nice. It's a chrome style card. Very nice. Very nice Chapman. You guys can actually see my camera in the background reflecting in the chrome. Nice. And then there's, of course, the ever popular checklist. Tommy Hanson, Hanley Ramirez, Derek Jeter, and Jason Esposito. I'm reading it in the camera in the background. I'm reading it in the screen in the background. I don't even know if I've gotten any cards like that Chapman before. That's a pretty good pull right there. These are the ones I'm used to getting right here. Trevor Plouffe, Dominic Brown, both rookie cards. Diane Visaito, also a rookie card. And Jose Iglesias, just like the Chapman card. So I guess some look like that, some are Team USA. The backs all look the same though. David Ortiz, Zach Greinke, Ubaldo Jimenez, and Mike Matuk. I guess I can put those all in the same stack. Roy Halladay, Felix Hernandez, Cliff Lee, and Jeremy Hellickson, who, if I'm not mistaken, is doing decently over there for Tampa Bay. I just know that Tampa Bay can't do very well because their team got pretty much annihilated from last year's team, so they don't have a whole lot to look forward to. Nick Markakis, Brian McCann, Wilson Ramos, George Springer. Jake Arrieta, Clayton Kershaw, Josh Hamilton, and Adini Hechavarria. This pack feels a little thicker than normal. That's because there's something good in it. Mark Teixeira is the base card. Brian Johnson auto jersey. Johnston. No, it is Johnson. It is numbered 435 out of 740. Let me zoom it in here for you so you guys can get a real good look at it. Auto jersey. That's a pretty good looking card right there. Navy blue jersey swatch. Looks like just one color. Wow, in a blaster box I just pulled that. That's a pretty good pull for a blaster. I just wish I knew who Brian Johnson was. It says You just received an autographed multicolor relic patch card. Multicolor. I don't see how it's multicolor unless they're talking about the refraction as multicolor. That's the only thing I can... But it says autographed multicolor relic patch card. Okay, multicolor card. Wow. That's a really good card right there, guys. Look how thick this card is. There were only 2 cards in the pack. Grant Green was the platinum refractor, or platinum chrome card that was in it. Platinum Prospects is what I was thinking. Wow, that is... I only see 1 color on the jersey, so it must mean the multicolor card, meaning a chrome refractor version. I don't know why they just wouldn't... Yeah, they have refractor up here in the corner. So yeah, you can see that. That's pretty sweet right there in the first blaster. I'm actually quite interested in what we might get now in the other 4 blasters that I got. Let's check it out. Let me re-zoom back out here. Put those in the middle there so it'll zoom into that. Good. Well, that makes this a little more exciting. Matt Latos, Tim Lincecum, Jason Hayward rookie card, and Desmond Jennings prospect. Wow, who needs hobby boxes if I'm pulling cards like that out of blasters? Adam Jones, Johan Santana, JP Arencibia rookie card, and Noe Ramirez. Let me move these up a little. I didn't realize they were so low. Maybe that's a little better. There. Jay Sabors, Bors, Lance Berkman, Alfonso Soriano, I think we got in the first pack of the first box. And Shelby Miller is the platinum prospect. Didn't really give myself a whole lot of room with these boxes today. Trying to film in a little bit closer of a perspective. I've got the camera. I've got the this thing right here turned pretty close in so I could stay closer on the cards. There's Mr. Chase Utley. Jose Tabata, Troy Tulowitzki, and Sean Gilmartin. That's the prospect with another checklist. Yeah, I think I'll leave it zoomed in for a minute. Oh, this guy is just... The guy in the back here is just ever so sought after right now. Adam Dunn, Trevor Plouffe, Dominic Brown, and Kyle Drabek platinum prospect card. Prospect chrome parallel. So yes, they are chrome. I can call them chrome prospect cards. That's actually even more remarkable. You guys are going to like this. Madison Bumgarner, Sin-Soo Choo, Ike Davis, and Jordan Henry auto refractor. The second box. Jordan Henry auto refractor for the Indians. Wow. This is absolutely ridiculous. I'm so glad that I bought these boxes. I surely did not think this at Walmart when I was buying these boxes. Diane Visaito, Roy Halladay, Felix Hernandez, and Steve Rodriguez. Another checklist. Felix Dubron, Adrian Gonzalez, Logan Morrison, who's on a tear, Alex Dickerson, prospect, chrome prospect. All right, box number 3. Justin Verlander, Mike Leake, rookie card, Starlin Castro, rookie card. Freddie Freeman, chrome prospect. Clayton Kershaw, Josh Hamilton, Dan Herron, Garrett Cole is the prospect. Chrome prospect. Joe Mauer. Steven Strasburg, rookie card, Bowman Platinum. Peter Borges. And Hak-Ju Lee, Chrome Prospect. I forgot to take my allergy medicine last night. I took one this morning, but it hasn't kicked in yet, so a little sneezy today. Ryan Howard. Brennan Bosch, rookie card. Prince Fielder. Mike Minor, Chrome Prospect. Neil Walker. Brian Mattis, rookie card. Justin Morneau. And Mike Moustakas, Chrome Prospect. Kevin Youkilis, Ryan Zimmerman, Andrew Kachner, rookie card, and Jesus Montero. It appears for the Yankees. Yep, Yankees. Straighten those out a little. Keep going for another box up there on top of the printer. But I need to be right here. Manny Ramirez, who just retired after testing positive for performance-enhancing drugs for the second time. He was facing a 100-game suspension, or he could retire. Adam Jones, Johan Santana, and Andrew Maggie. Or it could be Maggie. Austin Jackson, rookie card. He is struggling right now. He is striking out way too much. Ryan Braun, Jimmy Rollins, and Matt Barnes, Chrome Prospect. Box number 4. Josh Hamilton, Dan Heron, Ryan Howard, and Aroldis Chapman, Chrome Prospect again. Second one out of these blasters. David Wright, Carlos Santana, Mike Stanton, rookie card, and Jason Esposito. I believe we got him again. Brennan Bosch, Prince Fielder, Kevin Youkilis, Jose Iglesias. Tommy Hansen, Hanley Ramirez, Derek Jeter, and Mikey Matuk. I think the first time I thought it just said Mike. Mikey's not really a name you think is going to be on a baseball card, so first time I did not happen to catch it. Diane Viscaito, Roy Halladay, and Felix Hernandez, 3 cards we've already had. Jerry Sands for the Dodgers. That's the first one. PP1. Good thing these are chrome. Nice. Very nice. Chrome cards are durable. Daniel Nava rookie card. Brad Lincoln, Martin Prado, and Jackie Bradley Jr. Cliff Lee, Jake Arrieta, Clayton Kershaw, and Kyle Gibson is the Chrome Prospect. Torrey Hunter, Chris Coughlin, Ryan Kalish, rookie card. Brett Mooneyham. Box number 5. Adam Dunn, Trevor Plouffe, Dominic Brown, Nolan Fontana. Nick Markakis, Brian McCann, Wilson Ramos, and Lonnie Chisenhall. I think I remember hearing in the guys on MLB Network talking about him. Diane Viscaito, Roy Halladay, Felix Hernandez, the same pack we've gotten 3 times now. Slade Heathcott. David Wright. Carlos Santana, Mike Stanton. Brian Johnson is the Chrome prospect, who is also the one I got of the Jersey auto. Matt Latos, Tim Lincecum, Jason Hayward rookie card, and Miguel Sano, or Sanyo, it could be either one. Sano, Sanyo. Tommy Hansen, Hanley Ramirez, Derek Jeter, John Lamb is the Chrome prospect. 2 more packs, so hoping to squeeze them in here. Jace Boers, Lance Berkman, Alfonso Soriano. Peter O'Brien is the Chrome prospect. David Ortiz, Zach Greinke, Ubaldo Jimenez, and Dustin Ackley. That's the end of 5 blaster boxes of Platinum, Bowman Platinum. I don't want to hit this stack right here. There.